I want to show you guys how to remove a background from a photo. So I've uploaded a photograph. It's important to note the background needs to be pretty simple and not complicated. So I'm actually going to double click on my screen and set this as my background image. Now I'm going to click on the picture once. I'm going to go to Effects, and then I'm going to click Background Remover. And this will take a couple seconds to work on removing the background. And there it is. Another cool thing you can do is you've got this erase brush and you can determine the size of the brush. So right now it's pretty small. You can make it very large if there's big pieces of the picture you want to remove. But let's just say I want to take a small brush and maybe this piece of hair is bothering me a little bit and I can kind of smooth that out like that. So that is a pretty cool feature. If you want to restore any of the picture, you can use this tool so you can see the background image of those bricks is starting to come back. Really awesome new feature. This is in Canva Pro. Give it a shot and let me know what you think.